But it's late. Don't come around to me.
Hey guys, Nick and Chase back with you here at Lux Blades. Today we're going to talk about our new glue that we have. It's super exciting. And Chase, tell them a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this is the new Lux Bond Pro. It's by far the best turf glue on the market for installers, and it really is just outrunning the competition. And it's really for a few main reasons. You know, I know whenever we utilize buckets of glue similar to this, the issue is that we run into is it drying up in the container, because we're not always using a full gallon on every project.
Exactly.
Right? And this turf glue, as you guys know, is very expensive, and so with the resealable bags, it's going to save a significant amount of money over the course of your year, which is ultimately going to give money back into the pockets of the installer. But the glue itself is extremely tacky. It seals the turf very well. It gets applied to the seam tape very easily. It's all around just a much better option for turf installers.
Yes, yeah, it's a solvent-free base polyurethane glue. One step, you're going to just twist this off, squeeze it, put it down on there, trowel it, that's it. Put this back on. Shelf life 6 months after it's been open. So obviously you're going to use it all and less waste. Just like Chase was saying, a company usually loses 15 to 20% of their glue due to installers losing a lid, and they put a trash bag over it to help seal it or whatever it is. This here, twist off, pull on. If they have the lid off for just a second while they're going in to do another seam, no problem. Here with the buckets, the sun's hitting it, dries it up, and it creates a mess.
Absolutely.
So guys, next we'll show you how to install the turf. Okay guys, so let's get on this and start. So first there's a little tab here. You're gonna pull it around like that. That's the seal. And then just twist it off. Now, you're gonna take this, and a little bit goes a long ways, guys, with this glue. So you'll squeeze it out like this, just like toothpaste. And then take it, clean it up, screw it back on, and that's it. Set it over here. You're gonna take your trowel, we're using a 3/16 trowel. Like I said, a little bit goes a long ways. So set that off to the side. Now we've got our 2 pieces of turf here. I'm gonna set them in just like so. Take this one, like that. Make sure the seam's not visible to the client. And there you have it. So now, you're ready to go, it's dry. So, give it about, I'd say 30 minutes for good tackiness. Another thing I like to do is do a seam, put some bags on it of sand, infill, whatever. Or after 30 minutes, have someone come in and roll it just one more time to get everything out. But the main thing is, this is also low foaming. So if water gets on it or something like that, other glues will foam up considerable. This is low foaming. So as you can see, the seam is just, it's beautiful. There you have it. Hey guys, Nick, it's been 30 minutes since we last applied this glue. Your seam is set now, good to go. As you can see, no problems. It's just, there it is, beautiful. And you can get it at luxbondpro.com, www.luxbondpro.com, and that way you can have a seam like this every time. Thanks.
But it's